So what we have here is the G3-4. This is a debridement instrument, and specifically, it's a curette. It has a simple shank, and it's moderately flexible. That means that it's used to remove light to moderate calculus. It's double-ended and paired, which means that both ends resemble one another. It has a semicircular cross-section, which means that it can be used subgingivally, since it's rounded. It has a toe end and a 70-degree angle from its face to terminal shank. This has one usable cutting edge per end, and it's the lower cutting edge. That's the one that we would utilize. It's adapted in the anterior region, which means from canine to canine in both the maxilla and mandible. And we would adapt the instrument from the midline to the mesial, or from the midline to the distal interproximal space. So this is the G3-4. Now let's see it clinically.
So you're going to place the instrument so that the terminal shank is parallel with the long axis of the tooth, so that the toe is directed subgingivally, as opposed to the entire working end subgingival. So correct. Starting at the midline of the tooth, lower cutting edge towards the tooth, short overlapping strokes, rotating around the line angle, and reaching to midline of the proximal surface. To go the other direction, you would flip the instrument, starting midline, good. Let's do a sequence. So sequence for anteriors, you would start in your canine, midline, have a patient turn towards you. Okay, so just your mandibular facial away, you're going to sit at 12 o'clock. Again, positioning your terminal shank parallel to the long axis. And it's going to be a doorbell, so a back and forth wrist motion. Again, just making sure that the terminal shank is parallel as you come around the line angle and goes interproximal.